In the previous Excel beginner video, we spoke about the basic Excel arithmetic operators. That's addition, multiplication, subtraction, and division. In this video, we are going to look at 4 other functions that are frequently used in Excel. That's the sum function, the product function. We look at the min and the max functions, and then the round function. So let's dive in. So now to demonstrate the product function, we write the product function by doing equal to and then product. And product multiplies all the numbers given as arguments. So the first number is we want to multiply the unit selling price. So that's B3, then comma for the next argument, which is the quantity, and that is in cell D3. You can type that out. Press enter. So let's demonstrate one more time. Equals product tab this the quantity D4, and then we can simply drag down. So now let's say that we wanted to round these figures so that instead of 7.8 we see, let's say 8, instead of 28.75 we see 29. So let's first demonstrate. So we have equal to round, and let's say we are rounding 28.75, so F6. Okay, we've entered too few arguments, so it means that this function requires other arguments. So round F6, we still have one more argument, which is compulsory, the number of decimal places. So let's say we want to round it to 1 decimal point. So that gives us 28.8. So let's say we don't want any decimal point, we can just do 0 for the second argument, and that gives us 29. So that is how we use the round function. So one interesting thing about Excel is that we can combine functions. So instead of having to do this in 2 separate cells, let me delete this, and then I have product. What I want to do here is to round the result of what is in the cell. And so in that case, I do round in bracket and then put the entire initial formula or function in brackets. And so it's still telling me I have too few arguments. So I bring my comma here. How many decimal places do I want? Let's decide. I'll pick 1. So 1. 28.8. And we can drag that up to repeat for the entire cell. If we wanted no decimal place, then we can simply do 0, drag that up, and then all the numbers change. Cool. The last set of functions I want to talk about are the min and max functions. So with the min function, you are looking at the minimum number in a range of cells, and then with the max, you are looking at the maximum number in a range of cells. So let's say we want to find out the most expensive fruit. So we can do the max function, because the most expensive will be the maximum value. So max into bracket, we choose this entire range, that is B3 to B6, close parenthesis, and that is 2.5. Let's verify. So that is grapes. So grapes is the most expensive fruit. Now let's check for the least priced product or fruit. So over there we have equal to min. We select the entire range B3 to B6, and that's it. So that gives us 0.75, and that is actually the least number in that range. If you're interested in learning more about Excel, do well to like the video and subscribe, and also share the link. I'll see you in the next video.